Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be cleaning up and organizing all of my Etsy stickers for my sticker shop. So this is just going to be my shop stickers. I am planning on doing a video on all of my personal use stickers in the future. So if you guys want to see that video, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. So today we're actually going to focus on the main stickers that I have behind me. So I have all of my monthly note kits and budget kits, things like that, in these two bins. In this bin I have all of my Erin Condren weekly kits. I want to clean this all up, and then behind me here I have all of these binders. Now these are full of like single sheet functional stickers, my bullet journal stickers, glitter stickers, and things like that. I want to get all of these stickers out of the binders and into bin storages like this. I am going to be cleaning up all of these tabs so that I can get to everything easily. You guys can see these don't have any top tabs here, so I want to actually do that. I'm going to flip the camera around and give you guys a closer look. Alright, I wanted to show you a before look at how I store all of my stickers before I change it all up. So the first bin here is actually how I stored all of these for PlannerCon 2017, man, a long time ago. And you guys can see all of these dividers are pretty beat up. Now this is hilarious. My best friend and I actually made these. They're just cardstock glued together, and on the inside we have cardboard so that they made them stiff. And so everybody was able to flip through them. They're very cute, but it didn't last too long, especially since all of the stickers were standing straight up, so when I was low on stock, they would kind of like fall down and create like a little crease in the sticker. So I have moved on from this. So I actually moved to the binder system here, which worked out really well until I started adding a ton more stickers in the shop. You guys can see this one is actually exploding, and so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these binders. So if I need any help finding stickers, it's kind of ridiculous for somebody else to help me. I just am the only one that knows where every sticker in the shop is. And you guys can see this is like totally frayed. So I'm definitely doing away with all of these binders for the shop. Now I do use albums for my own personal use, but for shop stickers I don't find them very useful at all anymore. They did work at one point. And then I moved to this system. Let me show you this one. And it worked out really well. Again, I had made these dividers to replace these guys. And so I just took lamination and I actually made them the same exact format where I had the tab up top. But when I decided that I didn't want to have my stickers vertically anymore, I decided to move them horizontally, which meant that I lost the top divider and there wasn't any divider on the sides here, which was totally fine for a while. But like I said, if I need any help, it still is not useful for anybody helping me to find stickers in here. So we are going to clean that up. I have started making some new dividers for this, so I thought I would take you guys along on the process, show you what I'm using and how I'm going to sort everything out. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to work on is cutting all of the cardstock into dividers. I picked up a bunch of different colors. I felt like I might color code some of the areas to make it a little bit easier. I also picked up yellow and white. I got all of these at Michael's in their paper pad section, very reasonably priced. I think you can get like all the pinks together, purples and blues, which of course I did. I also got a couple different paper pads. Now I got these a while ago, so I don't know if they are available now, but they do tend to come back in stock every spring. So the first one here is Spring Dream and Uptown Chic. I like to add just some really fun different colors and uniqueness to my divider. So let's go ahead and start cutting. Happen when things go wrong. Sometimes laminating is not very fun. There's also a ton over here. If you guys were thinking about doing something like this yourself, definitely set aside a lot of time, because I just showed you a little snippet of what I went through today, but it has been an all-day process. It's dark outside and I started early this morning. I will leave the dimensions to these down below if you guys do want to make your own. They're really easy. You can also just cut and trim them. I use half letter dimensions, so technically you can just cut a piece of paper in half and then add your own dividers, or cut your own dividers. I also use this Heat Seal Ultra Clear laminating pouch. I will leave these down below. I definitely recommend these. They're 3 mils, which means that they're a lot thinner than like the 5 mil that I use for my bookmarks and dividers and things like that. But I thought that since I'm just using them for the shop, I can use something a little bit thinner, and it is so much easier to cut on the cutters here. And obviously if you're using scissors, they're going to be easy. last minute that I wanted to create labels, of course, for all of the dividers. So I have everything separated now. This one's going to be pretty easy because it's just January through December. I have 2 bins of these. I got these at Target, if you guys are wondering. And then I just went through 1 through 6 because I have 6 dividers for each section here, so I can see all of them here. Now I did the same thing for my Erin Condren kits as well, but instead of doing labels for each one of the dividers, I decided to just do the ones that started with like the letter A, B, C, and down the line. That way I'm not having to switch out dividers all the time or tabs because, you know, I have no time for that. I did make extra of the dividers. That way I can double up or take them out as I go. I'm not too concerned about having them in order this way. I just want to make sure that I can flip to everything easily. So that is a look at the new setup here. Now I did not finish the binder, so if you guys want to see a video on all of the single sheets, it is going to be a little bit different, but the same. But if you guys want to see the process, definitely let me know down below. If you guys are enjoying these videos and you want to see more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!